A butcher taught me that secret and I didn't believe him. For today's recipe, we will need 600 g of pork rib and we will cut it this way. Now in a pan, I will put olive oil. This recipe impresses everyone who repeats it at home. Put our pork ribs in the pan and cook over low heat. Add a teaspoon of salt. And also half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. And a teaspoon of onion powder. Do not forget to always observe and turn our ribs to cook equally in all parts. And before I forget, tell me which city you watched so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Evelyn Passos from Woodland. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now in another pan, I will put a tablespoon of butter and spread it to melt. I will also add 3 cloves of chopped garlic and stir a lot. I'm sure the result will surprise you. Next, I will add 2 tablespoons of tomato extract, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and also a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of mustard, and finally, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I will mix again until our ingredients are at that point. Now on a foil, I will put an onion cut into slices, this way. And then I will put the ribs on the onion. Teach your friend who likes ribs, I'm sure he'll love them. Using a cooking brush, I will pass our sauce over our recipe. I'll wrap our recipe with foil and take it to a pan. This has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it. Now I can't stop doing it. I'll cover the pan and let it cook for 15 minutes. After a while, very carefully, we will unwrap our recipe. That done, our recipe is ready. Look what a delight that was. It's a simply amazing and delicious recipe. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. This recipe has become routine here at home. I'm sure as soon as you try it, it will become routine in your home as well. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.